5 tips for a good meditation practice. 1. Find a quiet space. Choose a calm and quiet place where you won't be disturbed during your meditation session. This will help you focus better. 2. Sit comfortably. Find a comfortable position that you can maintain for a while. You can sit on a chair, on the floor, or even lie down if that is more comfortable for you. 3. Focus on your breath. Pay attention to your breath as it goes in and out. This can help you stay focused and present. 4. Be patient with your mind. It is natural for your mind to wander during meditation. When you notice this happening, gently bring your focus back to your breath. 5. Practice regularly. Like any other skill, meditation gets easier with practice. Try to make it a part of your daily routine, even if it is just for a few minutes each day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.